You guys going for a ride?
We're gonna go to the park. Give her what she needs. Maybe she wants her to change.
Yeah.
You're gonna wear out that damn camera.
You know, she's not getting any smaller, Dave. And I realize it's the last one, so I can't stop.
What is it? Oh, where'd you find that?
What's she saying? Wow, she's talking a lot. Yeah. Hold on, Phoenix. Here.
Let me put the lid back on.
Is that like almost a cry?
Have some pop.
No.
You see the camera, say it's all over. Cut. Cut.
Playground.
Playground.